It's gonna be little though.
Okay.
Hey, wait. What I said was gonna say?
What did I say, God?
I don't know, but I'm about to say it right now. Let's see. What did I say? What did I say? What was I gonna say? Okay. You ready? It about to be the same song. Just let me know.
Okay.
All right. I can't do it. I can't do it, bro. I don't know why.
Okay, this thing. Damn. Oh my God.
Okay.
I'm gonna say 1 in a million.
I can't stand you, but I'm okay. I'm about to sing weak. Then I'm about to sing weak. Okay.
All right.
Camera 3, take 3, whatever. But here we go, y'all. This is weak, as you know. You know, the best of the best. Saida. Yes, sir. Okay, you feel me? But yeah, I'm about to sing this song. It's gonna be little though. I don't say it like that. Nah. All right. Here we go. I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control, and something takes over me. Damn. Y'all see how fast I did that?
So amazing, it's not safe. I want you to stay with me. I put it on my pride.
This is like the second time you done that. No, I'm not erasing this video. Nope.
Oh, you recorded? You did it.
You retarded. No, I'm not. Nope. Nope. You retarded. Nope. I'm not doing it. I ain't doing it. This is like the second time. I just told you I'm about to start, and oh my God, I'm not gonna do this over. No.
Oh God.
Oh God, you got that right, because I'm not redoing this video. Alright, y'all, I'm about to post. That was my sister Erin, though, y'all.
Like I don't even know her.
Such lies. Again, about the lies. Everybody been lying all today, except for me. I haven't lied once today. That is a miracle. That's a miracle. Well, y'all, that's all. But as I said, this was my girl Erin that was singing on the phone. Or was it? Or is she outside the door? Never know.
Oh God.
Yeah, but yeah. So, yeah. You can look her up on Facebook, y'all. It's Alexis.
No, it ain't.
Yes, it is.
I don't know.
It's I don't know Alexis.
You play very much. I see.
She know I love her. But yeah, y'all. Alright, y'all. See y'all later. But for real, y'all. See y'all later, though. On that real.